Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's update we'll be looking at the US dollar Swiss franc, and I'm starting off on the daily time frame. As you can see from the chart, we've just broken above the parity level, the 1-for-1 US dollar to Swiss franc, and are now progressing outside of a trading range which has been holding since April 2022. This is the third time that the US dollar has attempted to break the parity level, and if you see the price action that we have here, you take a look at the price action approaching the level. I think this time is the one where the price will break to the upside. So the purpose of today's trading idea is to take a long trade at the market price. So we're taking a long trade at the market price. Obviously there will be some selling as we come out of the top, some short traders trying to push price back down, especially as we come up to this line here around about 1.01. But I do think that on this occasion we have enough pressure, given the series of higher lows here, to push price above that level and to power ahead to the upside. So I'm going to be quite bullish on the check sign. I'm going to be looking for the 1.02 level here at the top, and with regard to stop, quite aggressive. Stop is going to be underneath the most recent swing lows here, which is taking us down to run about 0.9938. So let's just switch to the weekly time frame just to see what this one is all about. So there it is. This is why we've attempted to break here, because we do have this higher target, which is the target which takes us back to 2019. That is now absolutely in target. And the monthly time frame, as we said before, when you switch to the monthly time frame, actually this trade could only just be getting going. And to point out what I mean by that is, I want to put a line on the top here of the 2009 highs, the body of the candles of the 2009 highs, and we do have the 2008 highs here as well. And it is possible we could get back up here to around about 1.15. So that is the trading idea for today. Just going to switch back. It's the US dollar Swiss franc really powering away the US dollar across the board, and going to push above the parity level towards the 1.0229 level. That was it for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live Forex video training update.